We are at the Long Pine State Recreation Area. Here is entering the park. See, Nebraska is not all flat. Going down among the pines. See if we can find a nice spot along the water down here. Okay, our campsite's down among the pines. Got a little beach area. And we have the little creek that winds around the camping area. Okay, this will be our first suck bag camping meal. We got the brisket and the smoked beans with smokies. Not much going on here in the campground. I'm the only one here. But the best part of this place is there's not much going on, but it's really peaceful with a little water running all the way around the camping area. Okay, there's our first meal of beans and brisket and a little fruit cup. And the rain's supposed to roll in an hour, so I better get to eating. Yeah, I thought I'd come down and listen to the brook babble. It's babbling pretty good. Not exactly mountains, but definitely not flatlands. We'll mark out where we went on day 2. Our second day was a short one. We went from O'Neill through Atkinson, Stewart, Newport, Bassett, and up to the Long Pine Recreation Area. That's where we're at currently. Welcome to the Sand Hills of Nebraska. See, it's not all flat. Small town, big adventure. I'm hoping that tree has deep roots. Also, if you're interested in disc golf, there's a disc golf course here at the Valentine City Park. I need to find out what this little creek, babbling brook, whatever that flows alongside the Valentine City Park. I need to get myself a smaller pan. This is about a 2-foot pan. And for the suck meals tonight, we're having shrimp gumbo, leftover brisket, and a few little smokies. Should be good. Okay, here we have the mill restoration project completed in 2002, and we'll show you the pond here in a minute. Basically a spillway for the pond. Venture to say that there used to be an old hydro plant down here. So this must be the old mill that was driven by the mill pond. Okay, now we're going to map out day 3 of our trip through western Nebraska. We left Long Pine Recreation Area, up through Ainsworth, past Johnstown, past Wood Lake, past Arabia, up to Valentine, and just north of Valentine to the city park, which is a real nice area. Then we came out to Fort Niobrara Wildlife Refuge and did a turn through that park and back to Valentine. That was our journey for day 3. Yeah, there's a couple of the girls we came to see. I think they're girls, might be young